Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to log into Cash App on a different phone safely and without any issues. First, before switching devices, you need to log out from Cash App on your original phone. Tap on your profile icon, then select Sign Out. This step secures your account and prevents login conflicts. Next, open your phone settings, go to Apps, find Cash App, and clear both storage and cache. This removes any leftover data that might interfere when you log in on the new device. Now, open Cash App on your new phone. Enter the phone number or email address linked to your Cash App account, then tap Next. You'll receive a verification code. Enter that code to confirm your identity and access your account. After logging in, you can choose to link your bank card right away or skip this step and do it later, depending on your preference. If you've forgotten your login credentials, visit the Cash App support website and contact their customer service team for help with account recovery. Once you're logged in on the new device, you can use Cash App just like before. All your transactions, balance, and linked information will sync automatically. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Cash App on a new phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.